Alright, here's some cable. Appears to be HDMI cable. These ends are really nice, they're really slick. Nice finishing. Come on, camera. These protective caps until you're ready to use them. They look like they have gold plating on there. Not sure though. Will be in the description. Give you these little connectors. Excuse me. Now, home of the one take. This little bag has this part in here. If you want to get a couple of these cables and extend them. I think that's what that's for, isn't it? I'll do some research on that, figure out what that's for. Because if this was a cable extender, it would be from female to female, right? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. This converts it. This is a converter. Okay, I'm glad I looked at the ends. Okay, cool. That's what that's for. Put that back on. There's that. There's this. Okay, guys.